That's ridiculous.
What do you mean?
You can't wear it. Hello and welcome to another Learn English vlog. Today you are going to learn some really useful English words and phrases because I need to clean my house. I also need to take my Christmas decorations down. So today is a big day of organising, cleaning, sorting, so there's lots to learn. It's the 2nd of January and I want a fresh start for the new year. I want to start my 2026 with a clean house, everything organised, everything sorted, so let's see if we can achieve that today. Come with me. Okay, first on the list, we need to put away the clean clothes. We've just done a clothes wash, or Americans would call it laundry. We've just done some laundry, so I need to put away the clean clothes. Obviously, I need to fold my clothes before I put them away. But with t-shirts, actually, sometimes I roll them instead of folding. I quite like rolling up t-shirts because then you don't get any creases. Because sometimes, this is really boring, but if you fold something, you get a crease in the middle. But if you roll it, you don't get as many creases. I don't know. Okay, that's done. Now, like I said, today is the 2nd of January, so I am removing all of the Christmas decorations from the house, or as we say, I am taking down the decorations. And that includes this Christmas bedding. So bedding is how we refer to the stuff on the bed, the covers here. So this is currently Christmas bedding. So I need to strip the bed. Strip the bed. So stripping the bed just means removing all the covers so you can wash it. Okay, I've done that, so now I need to make the bed again with clean bedding and bedding that is not Christmassy because it's January now, it's not Christmas. So the first thing that goes on is the fitted sheet. It's called a fitted sheet because it is fitted to the mattress. I love the feeling of fresh bedding. Oh, isn't it just the best feeling?
I've got a few odd socks.
Oh dear, that's quite a lot of odd socks.
That is quite a lot of odd socks. What I tend to do with odd socks is rather than just going, okay, well that's one sock, I'll put it in the bedside table, you just put it back in the basket and they'll wait. You got to just wait until they find their pair somehow. And maybe after a month, if they don't find their pair, then clearly... do you know what? I don't understand how this happens, Laura.
No, I don't know.
Because I'm not throwing away socks. I never throw away socks. But sometimes, like this sock, I haven't seen the pair for this sock in yonks.
Okay, let's take the Christmas tree down. People never know this phrasal verb. So with decorations, if it's Christmas or whatever, you put the decorations up and then you take them down. Exactly.
I always feel very sad when I take the Christmas decorations down. It's always the end of the season. And it also, it doesn't make me feel silly, but like a month ago we were so excited to put them up. And then after a month, right, yeah, take them down like it never happened.
Yeah, this is, I'll be honest, this is one of my least favourite jobs of the year. There's nothing exciting about this. Although there is a tinge of excitement because I'm excited to get my house back to how it looked before. The house always feels quite spacious when you take the Christmas tree down. You go, I've got so much space.
Yeah, and you're used to so many different decorations. It's almost like you're seeing the vanilla version of your house again.
Yeah, but that's quite nice as well.
Yeah, yeah.
And also the feeling of like a fresh start. It's a new year. Let's start as we mean to go on.
That's true.
I think.
How do you feel when it's January, Laura? Because some people have the January blues, they call it, don't they? And there's Blue Monday, which is apparently the saddest day of the year, when people are just the most, like in the worst mood.
I think if I really didn't like my life and Christmas was the only bit of joy in my life, 100% I would feel like that. But I feel very lucky that I like my normal life. So even though Christmas is lovely, I also really like my life when it's not Christmas as well. So I'm very fortunate that in that way. I tell you what time of the year always goes quite quickly for me. The period between Christmas and my birthday.
Yeah, so I have to buy you Christmas presents. And, well, I want to buy you
My
Christmas
birthday
presents.
is on the 10th of February, by the way.
If you want to get
For
Laura a
context,
present.
if you want to get me a present, 10th of February. I really like macarons and...
YouTube members.
And matcha and YouTube members. That would be a perfect birthday gift.
Yeah, and I've got to buy you Christmas presents, and then I kind of relax. Oh, I've done well. Oh, I've got Laura some lovely gifts. Fantastic, I can relax. And then suddenly, it's your birthday in 3 weeks. Like, it's your birthday in about 4 weeks, isn't it?
Look at that, this little Christmas tree is now no more. I also love having Christmas stuff on the table. So like Christmas placemats, a Christmas table runner, a little wreath in the middle. I like having it very Christmassy, but obviously that needs to go. So goodbye. Okay, that's done. There are no more signs of Christmas in this room, but now I do want to clean it because I think it's good to have a fresh start, make everything feel clean. So I'm going to start with the dusting. Okay, dusting. So we need a cloth and some polish, some furniture polish. It actually says multi-surface polish. There you go. So I'm just going to spray a bit of that on there and do a little bit of dusting. You're probably thinking, but dust is a noun, dust, but it can also be a verb, to dust. I wouldn't say I'm a clean freak, like someone who is a germaphobe, someone who needs to clean every single day, but I am a bit like Monica from Friends, if you've seen Friends. I really like my house to be tidy, I like things to be in the right place, I don't like things just out without a home. So I'm not a super clean freak, but I'm quite house proud. I think I am quite house proud. Okay, next job. We've got to do a bit of hoovering. Now this has a couple of different names. You can call it a vacuum cleaner, a vacuum, or a hoover. In the UK, it's very common to call it a hoover. And interestingly, the noun hoover becomes a verb. So the action is hoovering. So I am going to hoover with my hoover, or I need to do the hoovering with my hoover. And this is a cordless hoover. Cordless. I love it so much. It's probably my favorite thing because you don't need to plug it in. You don't need to plug it in. It's cordless. I have freedom. I have freedom to hoover what I want. Wow, wow. You know, like Star Wars, is that the noise they make? I don't know. Anyway, let's hoover. Okay, now I want to do a bit of mopping. Similar to a hoover, I have a mop. Again, it's a very simple mop. You just put a little fabric pad on the bottom and it sticks, you see? And then you spray the cleaning stuff on it. And similar to a hoover, you can have a mop and then it turns into a verb. So I am going to mop with my mop. A more traditional mop, you put in water like that, but this is not a traditional one. So yeah, just going to do a little bit of mopping. Now we just need to do the rest of the house. Right, we need to do a little bit of moving stuff around. A little shuffle of the furniture because we moved stuff to put Christmas decorations there. Now we need to move it back. Are you good with that on your own? Oh, amazing, look at that. I'm helping. I feel everyone has a cupboard in their house where they just chuck stuff in and they just go, you know what, throw that in there. And that's kind of the cupboard that we're attacking right now because it's where the Christmas decorations live, but everything else lives in there as well. So we need to organise it really.
You've got your, like, what do you call these?
Whoa, yeah, I love this. So this is like a big, huge
you got two of them.
Hoodie. This is a big, huge hoodie. And it's really useful if it's a really cold night and you just want to have a really fluffy thing on. We're going up, 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 it's our morning. You're never gonna be going, gonna be going. Whoa, up, 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 it's our morning. Everybody, go on in. Okay, now I have to do no one's favourite job, cleaning the bathroom. We call it a bathroom because there is a bath in it. In the UK, if the room has a bath in it, it's a bathroom. If it doesn't have a bath, we tend to just call it the toilet, which sounds a bit vulgar, but we just say, oh, I'm in the toilet. Where are you? I'm in the toilet. Or I'm in the bathroom. But I think Americans say bathroom or restroom for any place with a toilet, really. I'm in the bathroom, I'm in the restroom. But in the UK, this is a bathroom. Anything that doesn't have a bath, but it has a toilet, we call it the toilet. So let's clean. So I'm going to start off with a sponge and I'm going to scrub the sink. I'm going to clean and scrub the sink, particularly the tap. And a lot of my English learners forget the word tap. So I'm just going to scrub the tap, make sure it's nice and clean. Ugh, my least favourite thing to clean is mirrors and glass and windows. It's always streaky. I try my best, but the mirrors always have streaks or the windows are streaky. This is a job that I have been putting off for about a year. I keep putting it off. I say, I'll do it later, I'll do it next week. And I think January the 1st or the 2nd, I don't even know what day it is, that is the day to sort out this drawer. Oh no. You know, you just have a drawer and you just throw things in there. Oh, right. Let's just get started. Okay. Brand new notebook. I think that's useful to keep in there. We'll keep that. A whiteboard. I need that for teaching. I'm available for teaching online, by the way. If you click the link in the description, I teach online, I teach group classes, and I teach one-to-one as well. Right, okay. Oh, this was on top of the cake when we got 500,000 subscribers. Isn't that nice? A mouse? I've just found our marriage license. That's probably something I should keep in a safer place. That's that job done. I think Bez is organising his clothes. Oh look, there you are.
It's chaos, Laura.
Is it?
The strategy is to... Everything in there, I think I'm just going to have to keep, I think. You can be a judge of that in a moment.
Okay.
And then everything on the bed here is things that I need to sort out. This one.
Yeah.
Do you think I should get rid of this?
You don't wear that. I never see you wear that. Even in the summer, you haven't put that on. Charity shop.
Okay, question.
Go on then.
What's this?
It's a suit.
Yeah. But have I worn that?
Yeah, that's your like you wore that
Did I
when,
wear that?
when we got legally married. Oh, right.
Oh. I am a man. I'm 28.
Correct.
29 nearly. Right?
Yeah.
I wish I didn't have plastic hangers anymore. I'm over it.
Okay.
I want to get wooden ones. These things.
These infernal hangers.
Oh.
Oh, it's snowing. It's snowing.
It's snowing.
It's snowing. Bedouin doesn't want to donate this suit, but I think that the last time he wore it, it was very tight on his bum area. And
A plump rump.
they're too small. They are. That's ridiculous.
What do you mean?
You can't wear it.
To be fair, it doesn't close up on the front.
Tell me if you should keep the... Look at the legs.
Look, they don't close.
Ooh, you can't wear those. You would never wear it.
No, I can't actually, because it doesn't close at the front.
Thank you so much for being here. Let us know what other English vlogs you would like to see in the future.
And if you like this video, let us know by hitting the like button and subscribing to Smashing English to learn some more Smashing English.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ta!